today I am going to talk about the Maui Moisture Conditioner Coconut Oil. Wow, so this is 13 ounces and it is bliss. It is amazing. I love this product so much. So it's for thick and curly hair. It's called Curl Quench, so you can see there. And this is basically just a conditioner for curly haired women. It's geared towards women, but men can use it too. And it helps moisturize and detangle, and it deals with the frizz, and it makes my hair just so much shinier and defines my curls, and it's just wonderful. Like it just works so well. It does more than it needs to do, basically, and I just appreciate that. So it has coconut oil and aloe vera and papaya butter and plumeria extract, all these exotic ingredients, and it is silicone free, which is very important for people who have very curly hair, because silicone can strip the important, like, moisturizing, it messes with the curls, and you do not want that. Our hair, if you have curly hair, it gets dry a lot more easily, and it's not the same as if you have straight hair, and you have to use products that really help curly hair to really get the most out of your hair, especially if you're trying to just go with your natural hair texture. It's pH balanced, paraben free, it is hydrating for your hair, and it is basically, yeah, it's so hydrating, and it just gives so much moisture to your hair, and like it helps with that natural definition of your curls. I personally have bright red hair. I dyed it, and it is naturally very curly, and I only recently, like in the past year, really started embracing my natural curls, but I'm discovering so much about the texture of my hair, and with this product I'm really learning a lot about how my hair naturally is supposed to fall and how the curls are supposed to be accentuated, and I love it so much because it just does that on its own. So this is a great product for someone like me. And it is made with 100% aloe vera as the first ingredient, which is really important for you health gurus out there. My friend actually recommended this product to me. She also has very curly hair, and she's very into the curly girl movement. And I use it every time I shower. I hardly ever shampoo. Something called co-washing is what I do. So that's basically what I do. I just wash my hair with this conditioner. But I still do shampoo like every few weeks. I do put a generous amount in my hair, and then I basically just run it through my hair. I let it sit there and detangle and just work its magic while I wash my body with soap or body wash or whatever I use, and then I'll take care of my shower needs and just let it kind of sit in my hair. And then I rinse out the conditioner, and that's that. I only would use cold water on my hair. It eliminates the frizz, and it's just better for your hair overall, less damaging, and it keeps your curls in better shape. It also smells amazing. This is it's amazing. It smells so good. I've had this one for actually a week. You could definitely fit it in your luggage, but probably not your carry-on. I'm not sure if they make carry-on products, but you can definitely check it out. The bottle is nice. It's a tinted orange plastic, And then it's got like a gold top here that just pops open like that. However, I would say the only downside I have is that to get this out, like to get the product out, it takes a lot of effort because the bottle is very solid, so it doesn't squeeze. So to get the product out, it takes like a lot of shaking and kind of squeezing in the shower. And when you have slippery hands, like that's not fun. So as you can see here from this little bit, it is this creamy white color. It's a very creamy product. Immediately I smell it. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so that's the only downside, is just having to get it out of the bottle. I feel like when it gets when there's less in there, I'll probably have to just take the top off altogether. So just keep that in mind if that's something that bothers you, if that's a deal breaker. But other than that, I feel like the product itself makes up for that for me. And before this, I was using Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Conditioner. Don't get me wrong, I still love that conditioner so much, but I definitely feel like I need to try new things and new products, and that's why I got this one, and I love this one too. It's not as oily it's not as oily as that one, but they're both really nice. It's really important to saturate your hair in this too. It also gives my hair a very smooth texture, so I don't have to worry about things breaking, like any breakage. It is crafted in the USA, and Maui Moisture makes so many different products, and they're different colors too, and they're for all hair types. So this one's more for curly, thick hair, but they have different ones too. It smells so good. There is no mineral oil, no gluten, no sulfate, surfactants, and no synthetic dye, no ALES. It is vegan, it is eco-friendly, and it is pure coconut water and pure aloe vera juice. And you can recycle the container, which is nice too, so you don't throw it away. Also, it's such a cool container, I might reuse it for something else, but I'm not sure about that yet. We'll have to see. It was not tested on animals. It is cruelty-free. Do not get it in your eyes. That's just not fun. It's not like super toxic, but it's still like not fun to have in your eyes. Don't do that. You can get the shampoo too if you want to match. They actually have different lines. So they have like the coconut oil curl quench line where they have shampoo, they have a mask that goes with it. So I would check that out if you want like the scents to match. And it is a great gift for someone who is vegan, you have to really check with their hair type what that is, but yeah, overall this is a great gift for them. And I have colored hair, and this works really well for me. So check out this item, and I hope you enjoyed this video.